Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps of registering your brand name, especially for selling on Amazon. Brand registration is a crucial process that not only verifies you as the rightful owner, but also unlocks powerful tools to help protect your brand and boost your sales. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, understanding how to properly register your brand name can make all the difference. Let's dive in and explore the process, from choosing a unique name to securing legal protection. Registering your brand name isn't just about having a cool logo or catchy slogan. It's about establishing your identity in the marketplace and ensuring that no one else can use your brand's unique elements. On platforms like Amazon, brand registration gives you access to special tools that help you manage your listings, protect your intellectual property, and even improve your marketing efforts. This step is vital for building trust with customers and standing out from the competition. Amazon's brand registry program is designed to help brand owners like you. By registering, you prove that you're the legitimate owner of your brand. This verification process opens up a suite of features, such as enhanced brand content, better control over product listings, and advanced reporting tools. It's a must for anyone serious about selling on Amazon and wanting to safeguard their brand from copycats or unauthorized sellers. The first step in the process is deciding on a unique brand name. Your brand name should be memorable, easy to pronounce, and reflect your business values. If you're struggling to come up with ideas, tools like ChatGPT can help brainstorm creative options. Remember, your brand name will represent your business everywhere, so take your time and choose wisely. Once you've picked a potential brand name, it's important to check if it's available. This means making sure no one else is already using it, especially in your industry. You can do a quick search online or use domain registration sites to see if the name is taken. This step helps you avoid legal issues down the road and ensures your brand stands out. Securing your brand's domain name is a smart move. Platforms like GoDaddy and Namecheap make it easy to register your own website address. Having a matching domain not only strengthens your brand's online presence, but also prevents others from using your name on the web. Make sure to register your domain as soon as you decide on your brand name. Trademark registration is a legal process that gives you exclusive rights to use your brand name, logo, slogan, or other identifiers. This means no one else can legally use your brand's identity for similar products or services. Registering a trademark is essential for protecting your business and building long-term value. To register your trademark, you'll need to work with a service provider. Amazon offers a helpful tool called the IP Accelerator, which connects you with trusted intellectual property experts. Simply go to the service provider network, click on Find Service Providers, and select IP Accelerator. These professionals will guide you through the trademark process. Amazon's service provider network is user-friendly. After accessing the network, you'll find a list of qualified providers who specialize in trademark registration. Take your time to review their profiles, compare services, and choose the one that best fits your needs. Working with a reputable provider ensures your application is handled professionally. Once you've chosen a service provider, the next step is to verify your brand name's availability for trademark registration. The provider will conduct a thorough search to ensure your chosen name isn't already registered by someone else. This step is crucial to avoid future disputes and to move forward with confidence. Trademark registration involves certain costs. These may include government fees and service provider charges. It's important to budget for these expenses and understand what you're paying for. Investing in trademark protection is a smart move that can save you from costly legal battles in the future. After verifying your brand name, your service provider will help you submit the trademark application. This process involves filling out forms, providing necessary documents, and paying the required fees. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays or rejections. Once your application is submitted, it goes through a review process by the relevant authorities. This can take several weeks or even months. During this time, your service provider may update you on the status and let you know if any additional information is needed. Sometimes, the trademark office may request more information or clarification. It's important to respond promptly and provide any additional documents they need. Your service provider will guide you through this process to ensure your application stays on track. If everything goes smoothly, your trademark will be approved and officially registered. You'll receive a certificate confirming your exclusive rights to the brand name, logo, or slogan. This legal protection is a major milestone for your business. With your trademark in hand, you can now complete your Amazon brand registry application. This step links your registered trademark to your Amazon seller account, unlocking advanced brand protection and marketing features. Amazon Brand Registry offers many benefits, including better control over your product listings, access to enhanced marketing tools, and protection against counterfeiters. These features help you build a stronger, more reputable brand on the platform. Trademark protection doesn't end with registration. You'll need to maintain your trademark by renewing it periodically and monitoring for potential infringements. Staying proactive ensures your brand remains protected for years to come. If you discover someone using your brand name or logo without permission, take action immediately. Report the infringement to Amazon and your trademark office. Having a registered trademark gives you the legal backing to enforce your rights and protect your business. As your business grows, you may want to register your trademark in other countries. This helps protect your brand internationally and opens up new markets. Consult with your service provider about global trademark strategies. To sum up, registering your brand name is a vital step for any business owner, especially on Amazon. From choosing a unique name to securing legal protection, each step builds a stronger foundation for your brand's success. Take action today to protect your business and unlock new opportunities for growth.